Hey guys, Allie here. I got this product to review, so let's go ahead and open it up. It looks like there's a little button nose on here. It's magnetic, so you can just go ahead and take this right off. This brush has really soft bristles on it, and as you can see, once you are done using your hairbrush, you're just gonna press this button here, the nose, and it lifts off. Now, as you guys can see, my hair is a little wild, it's got some snarls in it, so let's go ahead and give it a brush. Wow, this goes through really easily. There's no pulling, nothing like that. So my hair initially has this wave to it. It dries pretty straight, but this product is good for any type of hair.
So another great thing about this product is it can actually stay right in your shower. So let me show you. So you're just gonna remove the top part of your adhesive. You wanna make sure that your wall is clean to wherever you're sticking it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put mine here. And I'm just gonna apply some firm pressure. Now, once it's stuck, you can go ahead and grab your brush, and look at that, it sticks right to it. So when you're in the shower, your hair's wet, grab it, brush your hair, stick it right back to it. This product is great. I will definitely be using this, and I will most likely be using it for the kids as well, so that once they're using their conditioner, they can go ahead and brush their hair. Once they rinse their conditioner out, they can go ahead and brush their hair as well, because they end up having to have a lot of snarls. Also, me in the morning, I tend to have a lot of snarls as well. So check it out. I definitely recommend this.